Okay, so Kurt Faustine, motivational speaker. My name is Prince Tifabuwanchi. I'm an international public speaker, Suffolk Gloucester, as well as a black entrepreneur. And today, this morning, I have the great privilege and honor to meet Boston's finest and Haitian's finest, Kurt Faustine, who I met through the Hunter Space. So I want to give a shout out to Christian Neal and as well as Shaskia Basquet. So today, I'm going to interview him, talk about his profession, how he got started, and so without further ado, I'm going to have Kurt Faustine introduce himself. So go ahead.
How you guys doing out there? It's Kurt Faustine, CEO of Triumph. I'm a speaker, but I'm a little bit more than that, as I try to be a voice for individuals that are trying to find their hope, individuals that are trying to progress, trying to excel, trying to redefine what their success looks like. So I'm really honored to be here, man.
Oh man, honor's on mine. So tell my audience out there, I mean, let's start with, motivational speaking. How did you get started?
I got speaking through Toastmasters. So it was a Toastmasters organization which specializes in public speaking and try to really enhance people's skills and try to teach them the art of public speaking. So I did that around 3.5 years ago, won a lot of different public speaking contests, and then I started volunteering my time and services within the community, from going to halfway houses to prisons, speaking, really finding that my voice is fitting a specific need, and then that's when I started to excel and created this company.
That's great, man. So can you tell us like one defining story that really that defines what you're doing in your company?
Alright, so a couple weeks ago I was randomly in Burlington. I never go to Burlington. I live in Hyde Park, so I have no business out there, but I was doing a quick business meeting in Burlington. And then in the middle of me meeting, we were meeting at a Panera Bread. Middle of the meeting, a guy randomly came up to me and said, "Hey, how you doing, Kurt?" I had no clue who this guy was, but you try to be I'm like, "Oh yeah, hey, how's it going?" And he realized that I had no clue who he was, and then he looked at me and he said, "You don't remember me. You spoke at the halfway house 3 years ago, and your impact really made a difference with me. Now I got a job, I got my own car, and I'm actually working for that same exact halfway house trying to make a difference too." So I think that's the essence of it. It's really paying it forward and trying to really impact the community in just different ways than just coming out here and trying to be, get the credentials or anything like that. Just really making an impact.
Wow, that's beautiful, man.
Yeah, well, it was profound.
Very profound. Okay, yeah. So is there like a secret formula? I don't want to expose your trade secret, how you motivate people. What is your best advice you tell anybody off of the street if they're really down and out?
I try to ask them questions. I think that's the best thing. Everyone has the answers. I believe we all have the answers. We might have a little bit of distress, frustration, whatever the case is that could deteriorate us from what the goal is, but I think deep down inside we know the answers. So the power of questions might make someone come up with their own answers that they had deep down inside.
Wow, that's really cool. Well, that ends my little talk here today. Thank you so much, audience out there. If my audience wishes to contact you for a little motivational speaking, or if there's a school or maybe a halfway house who needs a speaker like you, where can they find you?
Facebook, Kurt Faustine, KurtFaustin. You could go to the website, which is iTriumph.com, ITRYUMPH.com.
Excellent. Well, I'll be sure to add those links below. As for me, guys, for more of these videos, all you got to do is subscribe below. For my business, if you guys are interested about black entrepreneurship, working on your own, go to beblack.livelikeanentrepreneur.com. Follow me on Facebook, my fan page, Live Like an Entrepreneur, as well as, and also have my personal account too. But please do follow my fan page, Live Like an Entrepreneur. Anything else I need to say anything before I end this video? Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Kurt.
No problem.
Okay, quick shout outs to Shaskia Basquet and the crew at the Hunter Space.
What up? So
if you're in Boston, guys, you're a black entrepreneur looking for a good network, be sure to contact Shaskia Basquet, which you can be found on Facebook, or go to thehunterspace.com or hunterspace.com, but I believe it's the Hunter Space. Alright, so as I always end my videos with this, love yourself and love others, alright? See ya. Bye.